Right, so I'm with my marksman Charlie here. We found this massive buffalo.
This massive buffalo in Africa.
It's buffalo.
Buffalo.
It's buffalo. What are you saying, bro? Well, so we're gonna shoot him, and we're gonna get a great reaction from it. But the meat on him, he's so rare. It's like the rarest
And
match
his
get.
horns are about £1,000. So.
Yeah. So we're gonna shoot him, get great reactions from the zebras over there. So he's gonna be on screen. Yeah. And we'll be on screen in about
We're gonna shoot him.
2, 1. Right, so there he is.
Just gonna land chopper.
Yeah, land the chopper. Hey, Jerry, land the freaking chopper, mate. Right, so there's the buffalo. Oh my god, he's got some fishing rods.
Oh my god.
What is this buffalo doing?
Jesus Christ. I think this one's a bit insane one. Do you want me to still kill him?
Yeah.
Okay, the chopper's landed.
Right, shoot him, Charlie.
Bang!
What was I saying? You fucking missed! Charlie, you're gonna die, mate! Charlie!
Ah!
Boom! Oh crap, I think I hit Charlie in the arm. Bang! Oh, I hit the buffalo then. Oh wait, no, I think he's like still. Bang!
Did you get it?
Okay, pretty sure I got him now. Right. Oh crap! No!
You
No!
shot me
No!
in the
No! No!
freaking
No!
arm.
Bang! 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 Bang!
You
Bang!
shot me in the freaking arm. What is wrong with you?
Oh, sorry. That was Jerry up front here.
Let me just get the knife.
Yeah, get the knife, bro. Sure he's not alive. I've shot him about 50 times now. Oh, what the crap! This one's a strong one. Pew 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 pew.
Okay, let's get these
Yay, that's one phone. This one's not. Is he still alive?
I got
Get
it.
to the chopper! He's still alive! Jerry, lift off! Go!
I've still got his arms. I've got his arms.
Holy crap! Oh, that's mental! Holy crap, he's got the knife! Go higher! Quick! Oh my god, he's got it! Oh, good!
Okay,
We're too far away now! Oh my god, the zebra! Oh my god, that one zebra's fucking sprinting, mate! Right, look, he's getting up.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that zebra!
What buffalo?
That zebra's coming in, mate!
Oh my god, that one.
Look at him, he's about to strike.
Oh my god.
A zebra will kill him if freaking. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
The freaking zebra.
The zebra's just ate him! It's bit his ear off!
Land me. Land.
Oh my god, he just ate his head off!
Jerry, let me.
Oh freaking hell, that was crazy, mate!
Wait, I'm
That
landing.
zebra, oh, where are we going? Hey Jerry, land the plane quick. That zebra's still alive.
Oh my
Why
god.
are we landing?
I think he's dead now.
Get him. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I think Buffalo's dead.
Kill the zebra. Okay, zebra's dead.
Shall I put him back? Shall I put him into the cargo box?
No, just shoot him again.
Oh.
Okay, right, that's enough.
Let me
Right.
put it back into the cargo box.
Just, Jerry, lift off, Jerry! Jerry, go, Jerry! Charlie, come on, get on, you bum hole!
Let me
Charlie,
put-
we're lifting off! Get on!
No.
Well, bye, Charlie!
I'm putting it back on the cargo bob.
Hurry up. Got 10 seconds.
Right.
15. Oh, yeah,
Go, Oscar, go, leave me.
Jerry, go! Fucking leave Charlie! He's trying! Bye, Charlie! Right, so that was crazy. We've just lost my marksman. Lucky he's got his gun up here, so yeah, still got that gun. Jerry's a freaking zombie, mate. Jerry. Oh crap, no,
I've seen it. I've seen it.
wait, that was just his makeup. I don't know how to fly plane. I'm falling to my death. Oh, where am I? Oh my god. Charlie, no. Buffalo, what are you doing? Oh no. Oh, is he coming for me? No, he's not coming for me. Ha, this buffalo's stupid. He's not going for me. Ha 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 ha. Look, buffalo. Oh crap. Charlie's not taking his arms off. He's got a bit in his belly. Oh my god. Oh my god, the zebra's a zombie. Oh my god. They're gonna die. Goodbye, Charlie. Goodbye.